Hello kids, once again welcome back in your English online classroom. So what we have learned last class, do you remember anything about that? Yes, we have learned about capital letters, full stops and also some blends. What are blends? Blends are sounds of two letters that are written together. So we have learned the blends dr, br and tr. Okay, see, ma'am will write a word on this board. It is prince. This is the word. Here, one more blend is hiding inside this word. Can you find out that? Yes, it is pr. What is it? It is the blend pr. P-R, pr. Like dr, br and tr. So can you say some words with these blends? Yes, it may be here prize or princess or etc. Like that we can make so many words with this blend also. So dears, today we will learn how to retell a story in the correct sequence by using order words. Once again, ma'am will repeat. We are going to learn how to retell a story in the correct sequence by using order words. Do you know about sequence? Sequencing? The word sequence. What does it mean by? Yes, its mean is, this word meaning is in order, to make in an order. Here, whenever we read a story or tell about something, we put the events, we put the sequence of those events in a correct order. So, here the sequence means to make in a order. So, ma'am will show you some pictures. Here, that are the pictures. Look at those pictures clearly. Can you see that? Okay, these pictures are about how a plant grows. I saw that some of you are planting and watering the plants around your homes. It was so good thing. So like these pictures are something related to your planting. So now I'll show these pictures clearly to you. Listen carefully. Okay, what about these pictures, dears? Is it in an order? Is these pictures in a correct order? No, these pictures are not in a correct order. So let's make them in an order. So first, which picture we need to take first? First, here at first, which picture among those pictures, which steps we want to take as first? Yes, sure, you are right. It is filling that pot with soil. First, we have to fill that pot with some soil. So, filling the pot with soil. This is the step number 1. Then which step we need to take again after? Then here, then yes, after filling, we need to put some seeds into that pot. So, putting seeds into the pot. This is the second one. Then what about the next picture? Yes, here we fill up the pot with soil and putting some seeds. Then next step, it is about watering the plant. So next we need to water the plant. Watering the plant. And after that, yes, what will happen? After that, Yes, the seeds starting to grow. The seed, it is starting to grow. This is the fourth step, and at last, finally, yes, this seed, it will become a plant. This seed, it will become a plant. So finally, it will become a plant. So dears, these are the correct order of your planting. Do you get? Do you understand this? This is the correct ordering of your planting. So now today we are going to learn about these order words. What is about these order words? Today we are going to learn about these order words. So dears, please take out your textbook, our English textbook, page 2 and 3 of this. Here, I hope you all have read this story, Anya and the Dragon. So let's discuss retelling the story with this lesson. So see, here, does the story begins from here? No, this is not the beginning of the story. Am I right? Yes, then from where did the story begins? Yes, something happens before this picture in this story. It is from here. At first, we can see a lonely and sad dragon lived in the king's palace. So let's write that sentence here. First, we can see the sad and lonely dragon lived in the king's palace. So this is the first part of the story. This is the first order of this story. Then what happened here after this picture? Yes, after that someone is entering, someone enters to his room. Who is that? It is Anya. It is the princess Anya. So the princess Anya came to his room. So this is the second order. So first, here the sad and lonely dragon who is lived in the king's palace, and then the princess Anya came to his room. Then let's see what happened next. Here, when that Anya enters to his room, she is doing something. Yes, let's turn the page. Here, yes, she opened the chain and they both flew around. So next, what is the thing? Yes, it is. She opened his chains, and both flew around. Yes, as we can see in this picture, Anya is happy and the dragon is happy. So Anya opens his chain and they both flew all around in the cities. Then what happened after that? Yes, after that, here they see the king watching them. After that, after their ride, after when they came from their ride, they see the king watching them. Then at last, yes, here at last the king was happy because he threw the chains into the pond and he sets the dragon free. Just look at this picture. Here the king was watching them. But he is not angry because he saw that her daughter is very happy with this dragon. So at last, finally, the king took the chains and threw into the pond. The king take the chains of the dragons and throw into the pond, and at last finally these all are becomes very happy. So let's write here, the king throws the keys into the pond and sets the dragon free, and sets the dragon free. So ma'am used these words to retell this story, to tell this story again by using these order words. What are the words? First, then, next, after that, and finally. Ma'am used these words to retell the story in the correct order. So dears, then let's learn something about beginning, middle and end of the story. Now here, beginning, middle and end of a story. In these orders, we want to write the most important things that happens in this story. So let's take the first order, beginning. Let's take the first order, beginning. Okay, what were the two most important things from this at the beginning of the story? Yes, we know that at the beginning of the story, the dragon was sad and lonely. What about Anya? Yes, Anya also sad and lonely. So she said she could help the dragon. So in the beginning, how can we write at the beginning order, the order of this beginning? Yes, in the beginning, the Anya, first of all write about the dragon. The dragon and Anya are sad and lonely. They are alone. This is the beginning of the story. And in the middle, here's what happened. Anya opens his chain and let him free. So here, after opening the chains of this dragon, they will become close friends. And Anya took a ride with this dragon. So here, let's write about the middle order. In this order is we can see that Anya freed the dragon and they both flew around. Then what happens at the end of the story? At the end of the story, the king was happy to see the dragon and the princess happy, right? At the end of the story, the king was happy to see the dragon and his daughter and the princess. So these are the beginning, middle and end. So here man selected only the main, the important events from this story to retell. Then how these three parts help us, these three order? Yes, when we know that these three parts, beginning, middle and end of this story, yes, we know what are the main important things that happens in the story. And also we can retell this story in a very short time. In a short time, we can tell this story. And if we tell this story to someone who has not read the story, they will have a good idea of what the story is about. So these are the main, beginning, middle, end. In these orders, we use the most important fact, the most important events that happens in this story. So dears, now let's move on to this workbook. Here also beginning, middle and end. Draw the pictures of what happens in the beginning, middle and end of the story, Anya and the dragon. Write one line about each event. Here you have to draw the pictures also. That means what happens in the beginning of the story. So now we know that in the beginning the dragon and Anya both are sad and lonely. So here you have to draw the pictures of sad and lonely face of dragon and Anya. Then here what happens in the middle of the story? In the middle of the story, here Anya freed the dragon and they both flew around. Anya opened the chains and the dragon free, and at last they will become friends. And at last what happens at the end? In the end of the story, the king was happy to see his daughter and the dragon. So these are the main fact. When we are writing these things in this order, yes, we know we will get a clear idea about this story in a very short time. Okay dears, then let's move on to our textbook practice questions. Here is a question number 3 from the page 9. Write what is happening in each of these pictures. Remember to use the order words first, then, after that and finally. So here 4 pictures are given. So you have to name. You have to name to these pictures. Here this picture is about a little boy who is making a snowman. So based upon these pictures, you have to put it into an order. Okay, so then let's move to the last question, number 4. Read the paragraph. Take the main idea of this paragraph. Seema lives in a small village. She is a teacher. The people in her village are very poor. She tries her best to teach all the children of the village. She started the village's first school. Seema has also started the first library in her village so that everybody in her village can learn to read. So this paragraph is about a girl who is Seema. When we read this paragraph, we will get a clear idea about Seema. She is a teacher. She lives in a small village, and the peoples, those who are lives in her village, are very poor. So she tries her best to teach all the children of the village, and also she started the village's first school. She has also started a library, so that because of these reasons everybody in her village can learn to read and write. So when we take these all things as her own, yes, we know that Seema is a very good girl. She is doing so many things to others, for others she is very helpful. So here some choices are given. So what things you have to do here? Yes, here you have to find out the main idea of this paragraph. So let's read this. A. Seema lives in a village. And B. Seema tries her best to teach all the children of her village. Then C. She has started a library. Last one, she is very helpful. So from these four options, four choice, which one is the main idea? Which sentence tell us about the main idea of this paragraph? Which one is the main idea of this paragraph? Seema lives in a village. Is it a main idea of this paragraph? No, it is a part of this sentence. It is a part of this paragraph. It is about Seema. Then Seema tries her best to teach all the children of her village. She has started a library. These all things are about Seema. Then at last when we are taking her all good things, we know that what she is very helpful to others. So the last one, she is very helpful. This is the main idea of this paragraph. So dears, today we have learned about some order words. What are the order words that we learned today? Yes, the order words are first, then, next, after that, and finally, at last. These are the order words, and also we learned about beginning, middle, and end. These are also order words. Here, yes, we are trying to say the most important events from the story to retell. To retell this story, we are using these words also. So dears, I hope everything, these all things understood to you. So stay safe, stay home. Thank you.